Just made it in time here. Sorry about that, guys. I almost didn't make it here. It was on YouTube and all. Yeah. I got a haircut and all. So, so what are we gonna talk about now? I got something to you. Um, this is what was supposed to be put in the Donneris in the first one. You know, the one that got thrown out. Well, finally, I have found the thing that I wanted to put in it. This. See this? This is what this is the way all the blinky lights and all. Just blinky lights, all. Not the chase lights. This is the one with the blinking lights. It has a 740 chip along with a capacitor and a resistor. Sorry about that. It took so long. That yeah, capacitor and a resistor. I don't know if you can see right there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Capacitor and resistor, and right here where you can barely see is the chip. That's a 4060 chip, and that helps you do all the blinky lights and all. And I'll probably tell you how to set it up, how this works and all, on another one rather than show you all this. But this was originally supposed to be put in the Donneris that was I was building, put together for all this nonsense happened. I am so happy that this was with me at the time. So, okay. Okay. Now I'll let you know about the book. The book is, the manuscript is in the hands of an editor as we speak, and I'm very happy about it. Not too happy about the pricing. It was like, just say over, say $900. I'll just go and leave it at that. However, the it's under an editor. Her name is Angela, and she is from Consistence is Key. You can get that from editorsworld.com. Editorsworld.com. I don't know if it's editorsworld.com or editorworld.com. I don't have the information on that for me right now. I should, but I don't. And when that's taken care of, that's just the editor, not the publisher. The publisher is SBPRA. That's Strategy Books Publishing and Rights Agency. Got the paper? This is it right here. This is a good. I've been trying to be with them for a while and all them. I picked these people out because they're very good and all. And so far, I won't get any more details about them until I get the publishing kit. I don't think this is the publishing kit yet. This is just info about, what they do with the questions. Just a few questions here, and then that's about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, and some stuff about themselves and everything, what they do and everything. It's a good publishing company. I really can't say too much because I wish I could. I don't know how. Like I said before in the last video, I'm a little hesitant on. I'm not too much on a speaking type of person. So let's find out if there's anybody here online with me. Okay. Alright, so far nobody yet. Okay, so that's alright, don't mind me, I'll just keep an eye on here to see, make sure that everybody's doing good. So nobody chimed in yet. Okay, so far, here's something. If you're using fiber optics and you want to know, and it's a little on the loose side inside the hole where it's supposed to be in, and you want to glue it down, yeah, they say don't use CA. That's I think acrylic adhesive. That's what I think what it is. However, what you can use is this. It's called Gorilla Clear Glue. The glue itself, when it dries, it has like a rubbery feel to it, and it's like, bouncy or soft, something to that effect. But it's not seriously hard and all. But it will glue down the fiber optics, and since it's flexible, it moves so it won't break your fiber optics of any size that you want on it. So let's see, anything else that we need to say? I'm trying not to run out of things to say here. I know it's been a short thing, huh? Yeah, the book Space Attack. I've been remastering it for a while. There are several other books I'm trying to write up as well. Book 1, 2, and 3 are complete. I'm just going to release one at a time, maybe like one per year. Maybe hope that will work out with me. And yeah, the model and everything, I have not done anything about it. Here's some crazy news. I was going to try to paint one of the parts, and had half a can of white paint, spray paint. Shake it up and all, and I tried to spray it, and it was coming out a little slow and all. I'm there thinking like, maybe the nozzles need to be cleared out and all. So I took a look at it, took a piece of tissue and all, just wiped the nozzle out, and it looked clean. It looked like it was ready to rock and roll. So I tried to press the button, and nothing happened. So I don't know what's going on with that. So tomorrow will be Monday, and I will buy paint, spray paint again. I have to buy a couple of things also. It's shopping day, so I'm going to do that. I do mine during the week, not the weekend. Weekend is crazy. And wherever I go, it save a lot, and there's just not too many carts left available. No. So if I go on a weekday, say like Monday, or during any time between Monday and Friday, perfectly fine. I have no problem trying to shop at any store I want to go to, like a grocery store. But other stores, it's a totally different story. So far, I'm doing fine so far. My clock repairs is still on hold, but I'm still getting paid from Prudential, so I'm good with that. And with some other money to go with it on top of that, which is even better, which I love. So, pardon me. Right now, nothing special is going on. Yeah, I need to get paint, maybe a couple of screws. I'm going to install my so-called flex shaft. It's a jeweler's drill, and I'm going to try to put that up tomorrow sometime. And tomorrow I'm also going to try to put up some more, start building some of the electronics for the Butter Firebird. It will probably be something similar to like this, but it's going to be totally different. It's going to be a different board. The wire blocks, or terminal blocks as they're called, are totally different. They go for, it's weird. See how these are put in? The other one, I don't think I showed you this, but the other one, if you can picture it, is off like a 45-degree angle on the board. Why? I have no idea. Well, then know that's how it's supposed to be. Don't know why, but it looks like a new design, so okay, take advantage of it. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to be soldering a chip socket. And when you see, I can show you this. See if this works. Right is left, left is right. And it don't work. Okay. Right where my thing is touching, that's a chip socket. And what that does is that you put this chip on top of it, and when you do that, that means that the chip, if it ever happens something to the chip, like extra crispy fries and everything, that you can pop it out, put a new one in, but just make sure it's a 4060 chip. Okay. And so far, that's about it for now. So I never say this on my videos, but I'm going to start trying to make an effort to say these right now. And that is, if you like my work, you can go to the on YouTube, go to the listings below, and you can actually support me on patreon.com or coffee.com, and all the listings on how to get to those sites that I have with you on there. And if for YouTube, if I'm on YouTube, you can go on to D Live if you want to watch me on live. Description underneath. We have try to do this every Sunday at 9 p.m. Normally it doesn't work out right, but if it does, I'll be there. I know I haven't done it in a while, but so far I'm trying to make that attempt to try to even things out, so I'll be able to be online once a week on Sundays at 9 p.m. Okay, so as much as I would like to try to keep talking, this is it. Oh yeah, I don't know if I said this, I finally got a haircut. Yeah, my hairdresser was finally back up and running. I was able to get the haircut. Almost looked like a hippie. Okay, that's about it. Thank you very much for joining me. Bye-bye.